Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. As always, I like to start off by moisturizing my face. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus 3-in-1 primer to prime my face. Now for foundation, I'm using my Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the color 322 Warm Honey. Now I'm taking my Fit Me concealer in 25 medium, and I'm gonna just put that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, the T-zone, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to be setting my concealer with the Airspun translucent powder in 070-24. And I'm going to just put that everywhere I put my concealer. Now it's time to define my eyebrows. Now this is like my first time ever using this product, but y'all are sleeping on this because this spray is the bomb. Now I'm gonna be contouring my face with the Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony. And I also contoured my nose a little bit. Now to bring some color back to my face, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me pressed powder in 330 Toffee. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my B palette by Bubzbeauty, and I'm going to be putting the shade Toffee all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking the shade Able from that same palette, and I'm going to put it on my inner corners. I ended up using the shade Hopeful from that same palette and putting it as my brow highlight. Now I'm going in with my NYX blush in the shade Silky Rose. And again, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photofocus 3-in-1 primer to just set all that in place. For a highlight, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Now for the lips, I'm going to take my NK lip liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to line my lips with that. And I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss from Kiss. I'm pretty sure it's from Kiss, even though like the wording is like totally destroyed. Now I'm going to be giving myself a cat eye with the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. As for mascara, I like to use Covergirl, the Supersizer, and of course is in black or very black. There you have it. If you enjoyed this makeup look or this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.